What challenges have we faced when dealing with research with people who have access needs? There can be lots of challenges. Not everybody has the same needs, not everybody has the same issues and restrictions. And I've had ones where I've had people who struggle with language, people who struggle with cognitive processing, people who struggle with understanding what it is we're talking about. And simply the key is to be flexible, to relax, to step back, always have a clear idea of what it is you want to know from your research. And if you can get that from that conversation, great. If you can't, pull away or reframe it. I did a session once where I had a workshop with 7 or 8 people who all had various learning difficulties, and I wanted them all to have a look at something individually, and they couldn't do it individually. So that was fine. We got them all around together and we looked at the same problem at the same time and talked it through as a group. And that was really interesting. It was really good. It let them bounce off each other. The simple thing is, it might go wrong. No plan survives contact with the user. Relax, take a step back and try again, or try something different. And worst case, just abandon it and move on, and make sure that your participant feels safe, secure, and knows that they've helped regardless. Sometimes things not working is in itself a finding.